In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Ecomall, that's Elementor WooCommerce theme. Use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this script or to purchase this theme. After purchasing this theme, I go straight to my dashboard. Here is my dashboard. On my dashboard, I go to appearance. I click on appearance. As you can see, this is the default theme, so I click on add new theme. So because I've already gotten my theme, then next I click on upload theme. Then next I click on choose file. Then I select my theme. I will select this, that's Ecomall. Open. Then now I click on install now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use link in description to buy me coffee. Then next I click on activate. So let me go to my site, open a new tab. Okay, here is it. Now let me go back to my my dashboard. I click on this. Yeah, we're going to this. Okay, I'll come back to my dashboard. The other time we saw the child and the theme itself. So I come to appearance again. I want to upload the child. Add new theme, upload theme, choose file. This time around I'm going to select the child, then click on open. Install now. Activate. Okay. Let me go back to my site, then refresh. Okay. Now I have installed my theme. I've installed my theme. Okay, if I activate this one will turn to, okay, let me activate this back. So now let me click on this to install the available plugins, install plugins. I select all. I click on install. So to install those ones that are not installed yet, then I click on apply. So they have been installed. I click on return to require plugins installer. Now as you can see, all of them are now installed. I'm going to activate it. Then I select activate, apply. So done. Let me go back to my dashboard. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me just close this. I go back to my site, then refresh. Okay, like everything is done in order. Please don't forget, I've successfully uploaded my theme or installed my theme. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. Also, if this video is helpful, use link in description to buy me coffee. Thank you.